Login failed on Chime Credit Builder fix. You're ready to check your Chime Credit Builder card balance, make a payment, or see how your score is improving, but suddenly, login failed pops up. Annoying? Absolutely. But the fix is often much simpler than you think. Let's start with the basics. Double check your username and password. Chime logins are case sensitive, and even one small typo can cause issues. If you recently updated your password or switched devices, try manually typing it instead of relying on autofill. If that doesn't work, reset your password directly through the app or Chime's website. Next, check your network. Weak Wi-Fi or active VNS can block Chime's secure servers. Try turning off your VPN, switching to mobile data, or restarting your router. You'd be surprised how often this alone solves a problem. If you're using the Chime app, head to your app store and make sure you're running the latest version. Outdated apps sometimes fail to communicate with Chime's updated security systems. If needed, uninstall and reinstall the app. Your money and data are safe on Chime's servers. Another tip most people overlook: clear your device cache or browser cookies. Old login sessions or stored data can interfere with new authentication. Once cleared, reopen Chime and log in again. And finally, if everything seems correct, but you still can't access your account, it might be a temporary outage on Chime's side. In that case, wait a short while and try again later. So, don't panic if your Chime Credit Builder login fails. With a few quick checks, your credentials, your connection, and your app, you'll be back on track, building credit and managing your finances with ease.